Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Siri on your Sony XM5 headphones. But first, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, first of all, go to the settings on your phone and find the Siri function. Click on it and then click on Allow Siri when locked. If you have a passcode on your phone, you need to type it in. Now you need to turn on the Bluetooth. Take your headphones, press and hold this button for a couple of seconds till this indicator starts blinking blue. Great! Now go back in settings, find Bluetooth, click on it, then turn it on, then click on your device, and now wait. Great! Now, to use Siri, you need to wear your headphones, as I'm gonna do now. Wear your headphones, press and hold on the sensor on your headphone. And now, as you can see, your Siri is working. Now let's discuss some important information. So, if these sensors are set up for Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa, then Siri won't be able in these headphones. Also, the command Hi Siri does not activate Siri through these headphones, even if it's activated on your phone. Furthermore, when you use Siri, you can hear your own voice through these headphones because of the function side tone, which is totally normal, don't be afraid. Also, the functionality of Siri can differ depending on the version of your smartphone or an app. And now you know how to activate Siri on these headphones. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.